Hi, my name is Helmer Perdomo, and excessive processing time and cause consequence. Excessive processing refers to a poorly designed process. I could be related to management or administrative uses such as lack of communication, duplication of data, overlapping areas of authority and human error. Also, I could be the result of equipment design, inadequate job station, problems or facility layout. Recommendation. Patents are one of the four legally defined categories of intellectual property, property for which the debt can be prosecuted. That is why it is important to establish basic policies and procedures for IP protection. Follow the next two recommendations to keep your IP safe. Prioritize your intellectual property is recommended doing a risk and cost benefits analysis by making a map of your company assets and determining why information will hold your company the most. Then consider why of those assets are most at risk to figure out how to protect your investment and production. Apply a counter-intelligence means thinking through tactics while left your to increase valuable process. There will not be difference on the profits, and your company will not suffer by higher price. Furthermore, other idea that my product worldwide for your business, your goal be not to overprice. Thank you.